In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a live doc in Confluence. We'll walk through this process step by step so that by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, even if you're completely new to Confluence. I'll also give a bit of context along the way so you understand not just what to do, but why each step matters. First, make sure you're logged into your Confluence workspace and that you're on the main home or space page where you usually see your pages and spaces listed. This is important because the option to create a new live doc appears in the standard Confluence interface, usually at the top of the screen. Now, look towards the upper right-hand corner of the page. You should see a button labeled Create, sometimes displayed as a plus sign followed by the word Create. This is the main entry point for creating new content in Confluence, including pages, blog posts, and in this case, a live doc. Go ahead and click on that Create button. When you do, Confluence will open a menu or a new panel that shows you different types of content you can start from. This is where you might normally choose a blank page or a template. Within that list, look for the option labeled Live Doc. Depending on your setup or theme, it may appear alongside other document types or templates, so take a moment to scroll if you don't see it immediately. The wording should clearly say Live Doc, indicating an interactive, real-time document format. Once you've located it, click directly on Live Doc. As soon as you select it, Confluence will open a new Live Doc page for you. From here you can start typing, add headings, insert tables, and collaborate with your teammates in real time, just like you would in any other collaborative editor. At this stage, it's a good idea to give your Live Doc a clear and descriptive title at the top of the page so it's easy to find later. You can then begin adding your content, tagging teammates, and organizing information according to your needs. And that's all there is to it. Click the Create button in the top right, then choose Live Doc from the options. Once it opens, you're ready to build